In this Java tutorial, we will learn for, while, and do-while loops. First, let's learn while loops are used. When developing a program, similar tasks may need to be done repeatedly. Instead of writing the same code over and over, we can solve the problem by using a loop. Let's understand better by giving examples. First, let's make an example about the for loop. My goal is to print the numbers from 0 to 9 to the console. We can do this without using a for loop. However, when similar tasks need to be done over and over, it is more useful to use a loop. I define the for loop in this section. As long as the integer variable is less than 10, the for loop will continue to work. At the end of each loop, the integer variable will increase by 1. This block of code will run in each loop. We can change the initial value of the integer variable. The variable in the loop does not have to increase by 1. Let's increase the value by 2 in each loop. Now let's make an example about the while loop. The while loop is similar to the for loop. The loop continues to work as long as the condition is met. The while loop will continue to run as long as the variable is less than 10. This code block will run in each loop. First, it will print the variable to the screen. Then, it will increment the variable by 1. We can change the initial value of the variable. We can change the amount by which the variable is incremented in each loop. Finally, let's learn how the while loop works. I create an integer variable. The program will run this block whether the condition is met or not. As long as the condition specified in the while loop continues to be met, do block will continue to run. We can change the initial value of the variable. We can change the amount by which it is decremented. I just said that the do block is executed by the program regardless of whether the condition specified in the while is met or not. Let's try this. The condition is not met right now. The do block still ran once. In this Java tutorial, we'll learn how for, while, and do-while loops work. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.